Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video, we are going to discuss the question set 24. So the first question is we have to find the details of the students who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term examination and the class which he studied. So let's find out the details of the student who got the lowest marks. So we are going to use this query and then let's run it. And we can see the lowest mark record for science and the exam date is 2022 March 15th. So we have to select, I'm using select mark from student exam mark record in a joint subject on student the exam mark record, and I have inner joined the subject and the exam term with the student exam mark record. So since there was the details of the students, I'm going to extend this query further and then I'm going to inner join another table as well. So I'm going to inner join the student table. Inner join student, and I'm going to join to the student exam mark record. So let's go to the student table and I can join with the index number. So inner join on student exam mark record, student index number, and I'm going to assign it to the student index number column. And from here I'm going to select the first name and last name. And now we can see the first and last name with their marks in order. Now we have to arrange the marks obtained by all the students for the science subject held on 2020 March 15th in ascending order. So to do this we'll have to use a small keyword order by mark column ascending order, and then we run the query and then we can get this in ascending order. Let's go to the next question. Find information of all students who obtained marks between 40 and 80 in the mathematics subject in the examination held on 2020 July 10th. So I'm using this query to get it. So I'm going to select all from student table and I'm joining the class, and then I'm joining the student exam mark record table, and I'm joining the subject table and the exam term table together, and then I'm searching for the subject name, maths, and the exam date 2020 July 10th, and I'm using a between 40 and 80. That means I'm selecting the marks between 40 and 80. Since we don't have any entities in that, we will not get a result here. And if we are arranging the above in descending order, we can use the query order by mark column DES, and yet we will not receive any data since we didn't get any data. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next one.